Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shagun, the president of Siam, and I will be your host along with Anirudh, the vice president, for the wonderful afternoon. We welcome you all for this opening ceremony organized by BitGrid in collaboration with Max DTU and Siam DTU. About BitGrid, it is based in Tokyo, Japan. BitGrid is an AI competition and recruiting platform for data scientists, home to a community of over 25,000 engineers worldwide. They are providing and building comprehensive online ecosystem centered around a blockchain powered AI marketplace. Coming to the challenge, basically the goal of the competition is to develop a machine learning model to predict the virality level of each tweet, which is based on attributes such as tweet content, media attached to the tweet, and date time published.
Hello everyone, I'm Anirudh here and I'll be walking you through the registration process. So the first and foremost part for registering for a hackathon stands with joining the BitGrit Hackathon Discord channel. The next important step that I believe that some of the participants have missed right now is taking up the participant role, which is important. When you join our channel, among the announcements, you can take up the participant role, which will allow you more access to our resources into the Discord channel, which will help you further in the due process of the hackathon. The next part is registering for the challenge. After these comprehensive points, I will be presenting my screen and I'll be showing you all how to register on the BitGrid site. So the first step is basically to go to bitgrid.net, and the second is to register yourself with the username prefix DTU. This is a very important step for your consideration for a private leaderboard. Say for example, if your name is Rahul Sharma, you need to put your username as DTU Rahul Sharma. And then following the registration process, then you have to further activate your account by the link given in your provided mail. The next step is to log in with your credentials, fill in your country and state details in the next page, and clicking save is a very important part. And then next, you have to go up to the competitions tab and then click on the viral tweets prediction challenge. Next, the step would be to click on participate and accept terms to register for this challenge. And now I'll be presenting my screen and showing you a demo registration procedure. So as you can see, I have my mail and my BitGrid site here. As you see, I clicked on register. And since I have to register now, so I'll be like DTU Anirudh. Then you will have to enter your email address. Moving further on, you will have to enter your password. So the main thing here is that you have to basically focus that you have to add your DTU prefix here in order to make up for the private leaderboard. So once you have done this registration procedure, you have to click on register. It basically tells you that you have received an email in your inbox. You'll receive a mail such as this to activate your account for the for the site, and once you click activate, it will redirect you to a link. Once you have entered into your account, the next step, as I mentioned, would be selecting your country and your state. And once you have done that, you have to click on save specifically so that your records are updated. The next step is to click on the competitions part, and as you can see here, you have the viral tweets prediction challenge. You click upon this. The next step would be to click upon participate. This will be the terms and conditions. Feel free to go through these according to your time. Then you can click upon I agree, and then you will be registered completely for the hackathon.
So, coming to the guidelines, it is compulsory for all the participants to join the Discord server as all the communication will happen only through Discord. So, guys, please do join that. And this challenge is open for all. There is no eligibility criteria. And this one is next is very important that participants should not participate in team. Only individual participation is allowed. You must register carefully following all the steps of the registration procedure. These will be, as I told, these will be soon put on the Discord server to participate in the private leaderboard. You must make your submission before deadline, that is 27 June 2021, 11:59 p.m. IST, to get in considered for the private leaderboard.
So now coming to the most important part of this hackathon is the load of amazing prizes that we have for you. So as you can see that the very attractive cash prizes that we have for the first, second, and third position, followed by best female and best first year. Moving forward, some exciting activities that we have for you. One would be happy hours. In this, we'll be mentioning a time slot along each day on our Discord channel. So as you can see, it's very important for you all to join the Discord channel. Once we mention those limits, the highest submission accuracy during those specific hours would be considered for a prize, as well as we have a long lineup for special goodies for top performers, swags and certificates for all. Coming to the resources, there might be people who may be lacking upon in some skills or in some areas before in regards to this hackathon. So here at this hackathon, we are providing you these mini courses and these tutorials which can be completed quickly. So these are some references that we will be sharing in regards to the Discord channel. Basically, these are some well-known courses about machine learning so that you can go through them, learn the algorithms, learn the procedure, learn how you handle the data sets so that you can move on better here in terms of the hackathon. And if you want to start at the very basics, then here are some YouTube links as well that we will be sharing on the Discord channel again and again, as I'm emphasizing here. So yeah, going with the questions, how to choose the participant role. There is a message in the announcement section so that you can go and react to it. And once you react to it, you will be added as a participant in the Discord channel. And about the data sets are provided at the challenge only. Happy hour. So the basic explanation about happy hour is that we'll be allocating specific duration during the day. The highest submission during that time would be considered as prize for the happy hour. The DTU's private leaderboard will be revealed at the end of the hackathon. We'll be asking you to fill up a Google form every time you make a particular submission so that as we can keep track of your submissions as well.
So hi everyone, my name is Sachin. I'll just give you a quick overview of how exactly you can go about downloading the dataset, and later on I'll be able to answer all your queries as well. So I already have an account on this platform. So this is my email ID and my password. I'll just simply log in. So all the prerequisites and the steps that was explained by another earlier of verifying your email account has already been done. And when I go to home, this is some sort of landing page that I see, and then I click on competitions. Now, hypothetically assuming that you already have an account, then how do you make sure that you are a legit participant for this hackathon? So go to your profile, right? And then you'll see your username. So this is my name or my username. So what you're required to do is, I have this permission of editing my display name, right? So this display name earlier used to have Max for me because I participated in the previous hackathon as well. But now the prefix has been changed to DTU. So what do? I change my username to DTU. You need to make sure that you have this DTU as a prefix in your username or the display name on the BitGrids portal. So this is the first thing. When you have this done, so make sure you click on the save button. So the competition, which is active competition, is viral tweet prediction challenge. See, when you come here, there are a few things that I want to put forward. The very first thing is the leaderboard. Now this leaderboard is primarily the actual leaderboard which is being managed by the BitGrid at a world level, right? So you can see people from all around the world who are actually submitting the things. Right now, what is the important thing? The important thing is there are something called private leaderboards that we have, since we've collaborated with BitGrid. So we have our private leaderboard available and the data is available with us. Okay, but at the same time, since you're participating in a DTU level hackathon as well as a hackathon which is going on parallel at a world level, you will be eligible for both the prizes. I will repeat this again. You are eligible for DTU first prize, second prize, third prize, depending upon at what position you finish. And at the same time, you will be eligible for the world level hackathon prizes as well. So it's a win-win situation in both the cases, wherein if you do well at DTU level, there is a high probability of the fact that you do well at university at what you call at world level as well. right? Just an add-on, hackathons do play a very good role when it comes to your placements and your what you call internships. Now you can, whenever, so the moment I clicked on this leaderboard from here, I clicked on it, I see 3 different tabs here. One is the overview, one is the leaderboard, the other one is the resources. When I click on the resources, I see the data set. So there are some people who ask me, how can we download the data set? See, it's very simple and very intuitive, right? So when I go to overview, you can read the description, what exactly is required. You can read the guidelines, FAQs, timeline. Ignore this timeline because our timeline is very specific for 20 to 27th. This is active to 27th July, but we are not, are we also active? Yeah, but we are active till 27th June. Okay, so make sure that you abide by the deadlines that we have given you. If there is any extension at DTU Hackathon in terms of deadlines, we will inform you. At the world level, the prices are $1,000. एक बार convert कर ले फटाफट इसको. I don't know why I always do this. So the okay, काफी अच्छा पैसा है भाई, 1 लाख रुपए. Good. Okay, so the first prize would be close to 1 lakh rupee on the party, right? And then there are rules available. You can go through these rules as well. Just a quick overview. And the important thing is the data set that I wanted to explain you people. So you can click on download button and you can simply go about downloading the data set. See, it's that simple. It'll download for me. And at the same time, when you're trying to make a new submission, here's the new submission. I'll explain you what the concept is and what we are actually trying to do here. See, you will be in this data set itself, you will be given a sample output file as well, right? So whenever you are submitting a output file here, so imagine you have an input and then you have a model and then you will have an output or what you call a prediction. Okay, I'll give an example. For example, if I am giving you a data which is related to experience of an employee, this is hypothetical example. Okay, I'm giving you a data which is related to experience of employee, and then you have a linear regression model, a machine learning model for that matter, that gives me the salary that the employee deserves. Make sense? Okay, so I'll repeat my example again. You have experience of an employee, and then based upon the experience and the previous data, you are predicting the what you call the salary of that employee, right? So if I give, so what will be the, how will the output file look like? The output file will look like something like there will be the name of the employee, comma, and then the salary number, right? So that will be your output file. And what you're required to do is you're required to upload your CSV file here. It's very simple, right? It's that simple. I'll just try and use the dummy CSV file here. I'm just waiting for the download to complete. It's 600 MBs. My internet is doing well today. Meanwhile, if you have questions, you can ask me. Yeah, one more thing. You have only 5 submissions per day. Make sure that you keep this particular number in mind. I mean, I'm using Ubuntu, so you might be using different operating systems. So based upon that, you can extract your files. I think it's not a very difficult task to do. Okay, so it's done now. I can close this one and I can go to dataset. So I have my dataset, and you see there is this file called solutionformat.csv. So you see there is a tweet ID, which is 6238. This is the tweet ID, and then the virality. Virality is basically what is the probability of this tweet going viral. Okay, I did not say, I am actually translating the term for you right now. So this is something I'm presuming. So you have close to, so yeah, so we've got 12,000 numbers available with you, and those 12,000 numbers are essentially your benchmark for evaluating how accurate your predictions are and how good your model is. Okay, so what you basically be doing is, this is the output CSV format file. It is very easy. Okay, even a simple regression model might help you. So I've given you a hint. Okay, so this is the output file, and what you're required to do, I'll go to Chrome. This is my, okay, I'll click here, I'll go to documents. That's where I data set, and now I have my CSV file. I know it's not going to be a very good result, whatever I'm going to upload, but I'm just showing you how easy it is. You're not supposed to upload the solution format file. You're supposed to upload your solution that you will be generating after implementing your model. So make sure that you keep this in mind, okay? You're not supposed to upload this solution format, otherwise you'll see the accuracy. So I did not take the what you call, you can check your preferences, whatever. So yeah, it was that easy. Where is the leaderboard? I should be shown my what you call my result as well. Okay, it's available only. but previously they used to show my what you call. So probably they're processing my what you call result. Okay, and once that is done, I should be able to see how accurate my result was, because previously I can recall that they used to show how accurate your what you call your submission was, and a table would appear down below the submit button. Okay, so I think it was a very quick overview how you can actually go about submitting your solutions. Don't, I am repeating again, don't you please submit the solution.format file. This is, I am submitting this only for the sake of showing you showing you a demo. Okay, if you upload this file, by no means you're going to win this hackathon. So make sure that you keep that in mind. Okay, and what else is to be done? You can take the global leaderboard. Okay, if you find somebody from DTU here, then that guy has got a higher chance of winning. So for all the participants, make sure that you try to finish on these top 25. Okay, because if you finish on top 25, you've got a very high probability of winning this hackathon. So I'll address a few questions now really quick, and Anirudh can help me as well in parallel along with Shagun. When do we make submission to Bitget? The hackathon is live right now, Keshav, and you can start submitting. Will you give task for hackathon every day? So this is not going to happen. This is a voluntary competition. You guys are required to participate in competition in a competitive way. We have 5 submissions for work problem in a day, right? Your upcoming solutions can be submitted later on in the next day. Okay, so make sure that you test them properly, and you have a good, what you call, confidence on what you are going to do. When we fill solution, does it have to be in an order? I think it is not supposed to be in any particular order. The backend implementation of the evaluation has to be in the form of a map. So what I can expect is, as a software engineer, that they will be using a hash map to map the accuracy of a particular tweet ID to a accuracy. So it need not to be in a, what you call, it should not be in a proper serial order. But if you want to keep it in a proper serial order, that'll be good. Okay, what will we predict at the end? You will be predicting the virality. What is the probability of a tweet going viral? Please go about reading the overview and the details that are available on the Bitget platform.
All right, everyone. Thank you for joining the opening ceremony. Do remember to join the Discord channel, as well as keep update of all the announcements on our Discord channel. We'll be posting all the links that you have mentioned here that are missing for the participants. And do not forget to take your role as the participant. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day ahead.